Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 Mercury Cougar XR-7 GT. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $30,000 but did not sell. And this one was a pretty rare one. It had the S code 390 V8 engine with the about 320 horsepower, I believe, with a C6 automatic transmission. And this one had gone through a comprehensive nut and bolt rotisserie restoration with some customizations during the process. And it had the Magnum 500 wheels with BF Goodrich radial TA tires, and was a good-looking car in the black, especially. It only had 57,000 original miles, the seller stated. So production for the Cougars in 1967, they made a total of 150,893. And of that, 27,209 were the two-door hardtop XR-7, which is what this one is. And of that, the GT, they made 2,673 XR-7 hardtops with the GT package. And I'm not exactly sure how many had the S code, but you can break it down even farther if you wanted to. But that was pretty much half the production of Mercury in 1967. They sold a total of 354,923 cars, and Cougars were 150,893. So that was just about half their production almost. But this one was definitely a nice car. And anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1967 Mercury Cougar XR-7 GT with the S code 390 V8 engine in it, which bid $30,000 and did not sell at my local auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.